You're using AI wrong in your job search. And it's costing you interviews. I analyzed 50 AI-optimized job applications and 46 of them got rejected before a human even saw them. Here's what separates the ones that actually work. Most job seekers are sabotaging their own applications with AI and don't even realize it. They paste their entire resume into ChatGPT, get a generic corporate-sounding rewrite, and wonder why they never hear back. Recruiters have seen AI-generated text thousands of times now, they can spot it from the first paragraph. But here's the truth, AI is the single most powerful job search tool in 2026, if you know how to use it right. Today I'm breaking down the 5 AI job application secrets that actually land interviews. Before I get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Here's the question I want you to answer in the comments. Have you used AI for a job application and gotten ghosted? Drop your story below. Here's the first mistake almost everyone makes. They give ChatGPT their entire career history and say, "Make this better." The output sounds like a corporate robot vomited buzzwords into a document. Phrases like results-driven professional and synergistic team player that make recruiters immediately hit the delete button. Instead, you need to use AI surgically. Take one job role at a time. Paste just the bullet points for that role and use a specific prompt. Rewrite these 3 bullet points to emphasize revenue impact, use concrete numbers, keep each under 20 words, and remove any buzzwords. Give it examples of good bullet points first. Show it what you want. The difference is night and day. A focused prompt produces natural, interview-winning text that sounds like a real human wrote it. Here's the secret that recruiters and hiring managers don't want you to know. Every job description contains hidden keywords and priority signals that the applicant tracking system uses to automatically filter candidates before any human ever sees your resume. If your resume doesn't match those specific keywords, it never reaches a person. Take the job description and paste it into Claude or ChatGPT. Ask for 3 specific things, extract the top 10 most important skills ranked by frequency and emphasis, identify which requirements appear more than once, and list any certifications, tools, or platforms mentioned. Then have AI map your experience to those exact requirements using the same language the job description uses. One job seeker I worked with went from 0 callbacks to 3 interviews in 2 weeks using just this deconstruction technique. It works because you're not sending a generic application, you're sending the exact document the ATS is programmed to flag for human review. Nobody reads generic cover letters anymore. Recruiters spend an average of 6 seconds skimming a cover letter before deciding. But a letter that references specific details from the company's recent quarter, their latest product launch, or their biggest competitor's struggles? That gets read every single time. Here's the workflow: open Perplexity or Google's Gemini and ask for the company's latest press releases from the past 3 months, recent funding rounds, product launches, executive interviews, and competitive threats. Take those findings and feed them into your cover letter AI with a precise prompt. Write a cover letter opening paragraph that references their recent Series B funding round and our shared vision for transforming healthcare. Keep it under 100 words. Sound enthusiastic but professional. It takes 15 minutes and makes your application look like you already understand their business better than most of their employees. AI mock interviews are the single most underrated job search tool available in 2026. Most candidates walk into interviews having practiced in front of a mirror or with a friend who's too nice to give honest feedback. That's useless. Use ChatGPT's voice mode or Google's interview warm-up. Give it the exact job description and say, conduct a 30-minute interview for this senior role. Ask me 3 behavioral questions using the STAR method, then 3 technical questions specific to the requirements listed. After each answer, critique my structure, point out weak examples, and suggest improvements. The AI will catch every filler word, every vague answer, and every missed opportunity to showcase your skills. Practice 3 rounds with different question sets. You'll walk into the real interview having already heard 80% of the questions and knowing exactly how to answer them. This is the one thing almost nobody does, and it's the most profitable use of AI in your entire job search. When you get the offer, most people either accept immediately out of relief or make a blind counteroffer with no data to back it up. Both are mistakes. Here's what works: feed the offer details, base salary, equity, bonus structure, location into an AI tool and ask it to research competitive market rates. Use specific parameters, based on current market data for a senior product manager in Seattle with 6 years of experience and a background in SaaS. Is this offer competitive? What would be a reasonable counteroffer range? The AI cross-references salary data from Glassdoor, levels.fyi, and industry reports to give you a data-backed number. Candidates who use AI for salary research consistently negotiate 10 to 15% higher offers. That's thousands of dollars for 20 minutes of work. Those are 5 AI job application secrets that actually work in 2026. If you're job hunting right now, start with the job description deconstruction technique. It gives the biggest immediate return for the least effort. Subscribe now because tomorrow I'm covering 7 AI tools that will save you 10 hours a week at work. The subscribe button is right there, tap it. See you tomorrow. And YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go.